Welcome to the eMedley time tracking validation tutorial for preceptors. First, be sure that you are using Google Chrome to access the eMedley homepage at he.emedley.com. Your username is the email address as listed on your Volunteer Clinical Faculty VCF application. If this is your first time logging in, click the new user hyperlink and follow the prompts to establish your password. Enter your username and self-selected password to sign into the account. Click Sign In. The system will set up your profile and take you to the home page. Once logged into eMedley, check your term display date settings by clicking on your profile, as this will determine the data that you are able to view or edit. Students will use the eMedley eClass application to document the length of time spent at a clinical site with an identified preceptor. Clinical instructors in the pre-licensure program and preceptors in the advanced practice programs will monitor and validate student time tracking entries within eMedley. When you are logged in as a preceptor, you will be able to complete evaluations, validate time tracking, and generate a limited set of reports. You may confirm your role by looking at the welcome message on your home screen. It should say you're accessing your eMedley preceptor account. If it does not say this, then you want to make sure that you click on your profile and select the Switch User option to select your preceptor account. Preceptors are responsible for monitoring and validating time logs. To approve and deny time logs for your students, click the Clinical menu item. Next, click Approve or Deny time logs. If you have multiple students, you may enter a student's name in the search box field to filter for a specific time log. A listing of time logs will appear, displaying the student name, date, rotation or course information, task. Your name will be listed under the preceptor heading, the clinical site. The cohort is predetermined by the student's profile, the total number of hours logged by the student for the encounter, the date that the entry was last modified by the student or the preceptor, the status, which of either pending, approved, or denied. All submitted logs are automatically entered into the system as pending until approved or denied by the preceptor, and then a status history sharing the history of that particular log. To select an individual log, click the checkbox to the left of the entry, and you'll see now that you have the opportunity to either approve or deny the log. Click Approve. Notes are not required for the approvals, but they are required for denials. Click Save. If there are multiple entries that you would like to approve at once, you can click them individually, or you can use the checkbox at the top in the header to select all entries, and then again, go ahead and click Approve. Notes are not required. Click Save. If we take a closer look at the students' entries, then we will see that on December 8th, there are two entries totaling up to 19 hours. More than likely, one or both of the entries is an error and needs to be looked at by the student and should therefore be denied by the preceptor. Click both entries and then click Deny. You must provide a reason. Click Save. And we will see that the entry now has switched from approved to denied. You will want to verify that the student has logged for the correct date, course, and number of hours for each of the logs, and all logs must be approved in order to count towards the student's experience. If there are any discrepancies, like the one that we just looked at, then you would want to deny that log. Some helpful tips to share. Preceptors may approve more than one log at a time, simply by clicking that checkbox at the top. Preceptors in our advanced practice programs should plan to log into the system at least every 30 days to review and validate entries. Pre-licensure preceptors should validate more frequently due to the volume of logs expected. Time logging and validation may effortlessly be completed on mobile devices using Google Chrome, and you may want to leverage post-conference time to validate student attendance weekly. To navigate back to the home screen, simply click the eMedley homepage, and it returns you to your home screen. For any eMedley technical support, please email us at conemedley@uc.edu or submit a ticket through the UC ServiceNow help desk. This concludes this tutorial. Thank you for your attention.